What's the meaning of crystal gazing? Crystal gazing. Crystal gazing.
Crystal gazing. Crystal gazing. Crystal gazing refers to the practice of gazing into a crystal ball or other reflective surface in order to gain insight or information about the future or other aspects of life. This is often seen as a form of divination or fortune-telling, and relies on the interpretation of images or visions that appear during the gazing process. These images are said to offer guidance or warning about events that have yet to occur, and can be interpreted in a variety of ways depending on the beliefs and knowledge of the person doing the gazing.